Kan National People's Party hakasengi thodi yang kelapan ko buram ya arngut ki MLA ki badang sujab thamai hake election shiteng samai na mauring keneng bat na Raja Bala. Kita ki MLA ki bajob na ke NPP ki kentup ya uba penyat sing CM na mauring keneng padu Abdul Saleh na Raja Bala. Hakani ke jengpun ko buram ladan langru menteri rang ba kacela ukon rat ki sangma nang ta usembut menteri rang ba uba perstun tensong na lor kinang ilam jongka party.
National Vice President, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Preston Tinsong, all my colleagues in the cabinet who are present here today, our Deputy Speaker of the Assembly, all the honorable MLAs who have also joined us, Ba Lamprang Bla, our honorable MDC, as well as the candidate for Moplang, and our two MLAs, newly elected MLAs, Punyat Singh CM and Shri Abdul Saleh, all the district presidents, all the family members of the newly elected MLAs, and all the office bearers and friends and supporters of the NPP who are present out here today. Well, first of all, I would like to apologize for the delay. I am told that even the lunch has not been served, so I don't want to delay too much. As you're aware, I left early morning for Joy, and I had two programs out there, and I'm coming straight from there, and that's the reason why I got a bit delayed for this program. But I'm sure that we are all so happy and we feel blessed that God has blessed us with two more MLAs to strengthen our party and to take the work that we have started forward. So at the very outset, I would like to thank Almighty God for His blessings on our candidates and the blessings on our party and on this government. I would like to thank all the party leaders from all across the state who have, in one way or the other, today contributed to the victory of both the candidates who are here, as well as worked very hard for Ba Lamprang Bla, who has also, in a very short time, managed to garner those votes that he had received in the election. So I take this opportunity to thank all our party leaders, our party workers from across the state who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were victorious in this election. I also would like to thank the supporters of different political parties who have supported Punyat Singh CM in his elections, in his constituency. From across party lines, our coalition partners have also supported us and helped us. And I would once again take this opportunity to thank the family and supporters of both Ba Punyat and Ba Abdul Saleh, as well as Ba Lamprang Bla, who have really gone through a lot of challenges and difficulties while this by-election, in terms of the kind of pressure they went through and the kind of difficulties that they had to face. And yet they were able to bear it all and ultimately come out successful in this election.
First of all, I'm very grateful to our Heavenly God who is with us till this moment, and because of His blessing that we receive, that we could manage to carry on our preparation during the whole month of this October regarding this by-election in our constituency, Mauring. And I would like to thank our party leaders, MLAs, ministers, MDCs, and also party leaders who could manage to visit our constituency and help us in many meetings, and also to lend their support, especially in those times that we are in this by-election. I don't have anything to say much, but also thank our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and all the colleague minister in the MDA government, especially the NPP party, who were giving their time to come to our place and constituency, and also to seek the support of the public for our party. This term is left with only 1 year and 4 months. Personally and with all our supporters, we will try to give our 100%. We'll try to give our best to serve the people of Morekuneng constituency and also to serve the state as a whole. And I request.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, who is also the State President and MP, Dr. R. Kharluki. Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the National President. Honorable Deputy CM, who is also the National Vice President. Deputy Speaker, my colleague, all the MLAs. Newly elected MLA, my friend Paniyat Shem, who has also contested with us with the NPP tickets. Lamprang Bla MDC, who is also a senior MDC. All the ministers present here, the office bearers, and respectful my friends and media persons. I am very proud to be a member of the NPP family. NPP government was so committed. Their hard work, NPP-led government has done. Therefore, they are blessed by the people of the state. As a result, we are here standing in front of you as a MLA. NPP 2 MLA, another MLA is from the government only. So, while campaigning throughout my constituency, Rajabala, I have seen huge support for NPP. That was the constituency never NPP has got. But this time, people have seen the development of Conrad Sangma's government's development has seen. They have seen the differences. What 3 years before the Congress-led government has done, and what after 3 years what Conrad Sangma-led government has done. Therefore, as a result, the effect has been seen. As a result, we are 2 MLAs in front of you. Thank you very much. Long live NPP. NPP will win 2023. Thank you very much.